Hello and welcome back. Today, we'll be discussing how to use data visualizations to communicate complex information. In today's data-driven world, it's important to be able to effectively communicate complex data in a way that is understandable and impactful. To begin, let's talk about why data visualizations are so effective at communicating complex information. Visuals can help people understand and return information better than just text alone. They also make it easier to spot trends, patterns, and outliers in the data. Let's take a look at an example of complex data. Imagine you're trying to communicate the performance of a complex financial product like a hedge fund to a group of investors. Now, let's see how a data visualization can help make this information more accessible. By using a clear and concise chart, like a line chart or bar chart, you can quickly communicate the performance of the hedge fund over time. This makes it easier for investors to understand and compare the performance of the fund. So, how do you create effective data visualizations for complex information? Here are some tips to keep in mind. First, simplify the data. Focus on the most important information and present it in a clear and concise way. Second, choose the right type of visualization of the data being presented. This can vary depending on the type of data and the story you want to tell. Third, use clear and concise labeling and titles to help guide the viewer's understanding. You can see how all these three tips have been emphasized over the whole module. Take particular attention to them. Finally, let's talk about presenting data visualizations. When presenting complex information, it's important to provide context and explain the key takeaways. Use visuals to support your message, but also provide additional information and context to help you understand your audience, understand the full picture. Data visualizations can be a very powerful tool for communicating complex information in a way that is easy to understand and impactful. By simplifying the data, choosing the right type of visualization, and providing context and explanation, you can effectively communicate even the most complex information. Thank you for joining us today, and we've come to the end of this module.